What are anonymous blocks? So let's just clean this out for just 1 second. Okay, so now we have one class here which is called. So anonymous block is just this is anonymous block. So what happened here? I'm gonna doing amazing printing here, printing in anonymous scope or anonymous block. Let's say it's anonymous block. And in the constructor, I'm just gonna be printing in the constructor block. And let's now create a new card with any card number that we have. It doesn't really matter. And let's see how does it look like and what was being printed. So if we try to run it right now, we'll find that printing in anonymous block, printing in a constructor. So what happens if we had another block, let's say block number 2, and we're going to be putting another anonymous block which is number 3. So what would be the order here? Let's rerun again and see how it's going to look. We have anonymous block here, number 2, and then number 3, and then the constructor. So the anonymous block gets called before it. Okay, and class initializer may be static. This is just like some indication, but it's like doesn't really it doesn't really make sense. This is kind where in terms of anonymous blocks, this is anonymous blocks that we're going to be talking about. And if we want just to make sure that what's happening, so before object initialization, and we want to have another one which is after initialization, and we're gonna find out now. So we have before initialization, then we're printing anonymous blocks, and then a constructor, and then after initialization. Yeah, so this is basically what is anonymous block.